As they say, better late than never, so I'm finally trying this tape trend. I just remembered that I own some of these eye bases and I've been wanting to use them, so today is the day. So I did wake up and decide to choose Chaos because I'm going to do Van Gogh's Starry Night on my eyes. That's all of my base colours on, and now we can get into the details, which I think is going to be fun. I hope it's going to be fun. Just adding loads of tiny brush strokes in to make all the shapes. Obviously the most important part is the stars, so starting to add in some yellow, and I feel like it's starting to give the effect that I want. Just need to stick at it really. Obviously add the moon in, and I've realised I've forgotten the building, so I need to fit that in now. I'm happy with this, so let's go. Oh god, I'm not confident. Oh my god, okay, I love it. Let me finish my makeup and then I'll come back. And here is the finished look. What do we think? I absolutely love it. I brought some of this onto my face, added a blue lip, and I feel like everything's just been brought together now, like 10 out of 10.